Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques and Restoration. I hope you enjoyed the entire time-lapse video of this custom order restoration that I just completed on this antique dresser behind me. Now, unfortunately, my staging wall goes really wide, like 8 feet wide. It doesn't really go high, so this is good as it gets for me. I will probably pull it in front of my stairs to get a full shot of it. But this was a custom order. I used Benjamin Moore paint as my base. It's a latex flat paint. It's in a linen white. And then the stain color is called Antique Walnut by General Finishes. It's a gel stain. I love their products. And then the poly, the top coat, is a gel top coat, also by General Finishes. That's in a satin finish. And then I got these gorgeous, gorgeous new glass knobs at Home Goods. Who would have thought? I usually go to Hobby Lobby, but I found these at Home Goods in the clearance section. So all in all, I'm very pleased with how this came out. If you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. Please stay a while, like and subscribe to my channel. You'll see the subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner. It's a red button. You probably hear my Chihuahua Biscuit. What are you doing down there? He needs his nails trimmed, and I can hear him just back and forth. Every time he hears my voice, he comes running to see what's going on. What are you doing? What? I know. I'm stopping the video. I know. Anyways, this is Biscuit, our rescue Chihuahua. He's just a doll, and he loves to come in my videos every now and then. Mostly, quite often, he's in the videos. Anyhow, so like and subscribe to my channel. I do all videos on furniture restoration. I do some reviews on paint products and brushes and things of that nature and whatever kind of suits my fancy at the moment. But I thought it would be cool to do one time-lapse video from start to finish on a project, and I hope you guys like it. So until next time, Biscuit and I say toodaloo. Do you say toodaloo? You look like a little guy that would say toodaloo. Toodaloo, right?